Hi everyone, it's Professor Luna. Today we're going to learn about the different building blocks that make up sentences. These building blocks are called parts of speech, and they're super important for helping us speak and write clearly. We'll be looking at nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Get ready for an awesome language adventure. Let's start with nouns and pronouns. Nouns are like the name tags of our sentences. They tell us the names of people, places, things, or ideas. For example, teacher, playground, and dream are all nouns. But pronouns are special words that take the place of nouns when we don't want to keep repeating them. Pronouns like he, it, and they make our sentences sound smoother. Here's an example. The scientist looked at the experiment. She was excited about it. In this sentence, scientist is the noun, and she and it are pronouns. They help us understand who and what the sentence is talking about without saying scientist over and over again. Understanding nouns and pronouns helps us write sentences that are clear and easy to read. So let's keep practicing and using them in our writing. Verbs are the superheroes of sentences, bringing action and energy to our words. They show us what the subject is up to, making our sentences jump off the page. Whether it's run, think, or exist, verbs are the powerhouses that make things happen. For example, let's look at this sentence. Newton discovered the laws of motion. Here, discovered is the verb that connects Newton, the subject, to the laws of motion, the object. It's like the magic glue that holds the whole sentence together. Knowing about verbs lets us spin thrilling tales and create colourful scenes with our words. Now let's talk about adjectives and adverbs. These are the words that sprinkle extra flavour and flair into our sentences. Adjectives jazz up nouns and pronouns, painting them with vivid colours and intriguing qualities such as red, gentle or amazing. Adverbs, on the other hand, add spice to verbs, adjectives or even other adverbs by telling us how, when or where something happened. For example, slowly, recently or completely. For instance, consider this sentence. The amazing scientist completely understood the recently discovered facts. Here, amazing is the adjective describing the scientist, while completely and recently are adverbs adding depth to the action and timing of the scientist's understanding. By mastering adjectives and adverbs, we can transform our writing into captivating stories and vivid experiences. You're doing a fantastic job learning about the different parts of speech. Keep practicing using nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs in your speaking and writing. The more you use them, the easier it will become to put sentences together clearly. Understanding these building blocks will help you share your thoughts and ideas in really awesome ways. Keep up the great work, and I can't wait to see you guys soon for our next lesson.